Yo, what's up everybody, this is DJ Andy with the second episode of the Made From Scratch tutorials. Thanks a lot for the comments and the shares last week, and let's see what I have for you guys today. This combo is divided in two parts, and I'm starting by bringing back the sound and doing a 3-click flare forward. Bring back and 3-click forward. Second part is the opposite. I'm gonna push and do a 3-click flare back. So both together, and when you speed it up, once again. Now let me show you on a beat right now. Okay, once again.